Hello and welcome to English Unleashed, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence, more freedom, and more joy. I'm David, and I'm here to guide you step by step, day by day, to help you speak English more naturally and more easily, whether you're at home, at work, on the bus, or just relaxing. In today's episode, we'll go deeper than ever. We'll explore how to practice English in a way that's fun, effective, and realistic, even if you're busy. Even if you're shy, even if you've tried before and felt like giving up. Let's begin with something important. Before you practice English, you must believe you can improve. Even if you failed before. Even if you feel nervous. Repeat after me. I can improve. I don't need to be perfect. I will practice with small steps. I will speak English with courage. Good. Now take a breath. This podcast is not only about grammar or vocabulary. It's about becoming the kind of person who uses English every day, naturally and confidently. There are hundreds of tips online. But let me give you just 3 golden habits. These are simple. These are powerful. And they really work. Habit number 1, listen every single day. Why? Because language starts with the ear. You learned your first language by listening first and not reading grammar books. The same goes for English. Your goal is create an English world around you. Make English your background sound. Podcasts like this, music, audiobooks, slow videos on YouTube. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. While walking, while eating, while brushing your teeth. Make English a companion, not a chore. Habit number 2, speak shadow what you hear. Shadowing is the most effective speaking exercise you can do alone. You listen. You repeat. You echo. No translation. Let's try it now. I'll say a sentence, you repeat. English feels easier every day. I enjoy the sound of my voice in English. I make mistakes, and that's okay. My mouth is learning English too. Perfect. You are training your mouth like an athlete trains muscles. Habit number 3, think one thought at a time. In English. No need to translate. Just describe what you see, what you feel. Let's practice this together. When you wake up, say, "It's a new day." I feel sleepy. The room is quiet. Later. I'm walking outside. The sun is bright. I hear birds. Simple thoughts and simple English repeated daily build automatic reflexes. Let's now make English part of your real life. Tip 1, change your digital world. Set your phone and apps to English. Why? Because you look at your phone hundreds of times a day. Each time, you'll see words like update, settings, delete, and notifications. You'll learn these words without studying. Tip 2, keep a 3-line diary in English. Every night, write 3 simple sentences. Today I worked all day. I felt a little tired. I listened to English while walking. Short, honest, and powerful. Write like this every evening. No pressure. No perfection. Just consistency. Tip 3, record a voice message. Open your recorder, talk for 1 minute. Even if you make 10 mistakes, it's okay. Speak about your day, your plans, your feelings. Then listen to yourself. At first, it feels strange, but soon you'll hear your growth. You'll notice, oh, I speak faster now. My pronunciation is clear. I sound more natural. Now let's do some active practice. I'll say a sentence you repeat. Learning English is part of my daily life. I enjoy listening to English every day. I feel proud of my progress. My English is getting better and better. Mistakes help me grow. Well done. The more you shadow, the more fluent you become. Shadowing is like dancing with a language. Let's finish with a small weekly challenge. Here are 5 actions to do this week. 1. Change your phone settings to English. 2. Listen to 1 English podcast every day. 3. Write 3 sentences in a diary each night. 4. Record 1-minute voice messages 3 times this week. 5. Join a Telegram or WhatsApp group for English learners. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Let me leave you with this thought. Fluency is not a destination, it's a habit. And that habit starts with 1 small step every day. So tomorrow morning, say this out loud. Today I will use my English. Today I will grow a little more. You are already doing amazing. Keep going. Keep learning. And keep speaking. Thank you for joining me today on English Unleashed. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care, practice well, and stay confident. And here's something else to remember. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Even just 5 minutes every day will build more fluency than 2 hours once a week. Language learning is like watering a plant. A little every day makes it grow. Repeat this after me. I choose progress, not perfection. I show up for my English practice every day. I believe in myself, even on the hard days. Very good. Now, let's go further. Find a moment in your day when you can speak English to yourself. In your room, while walking, or even in your mind. Say what you see. Say how you feel. Say what you plan to do. Here's an example. I'm walking down the street. The sky is gray today. I feel a little tired but peaceful. That's real-life English, simple, personal, and useful. You can do this anytime. At lunch, say, I'm eating chicken with rice. At work, I'm checking my emails. In the evening, I am watching a video in English. The more you describe your life, the more English becomes part of you. Let's go back to our shadowing practice. Repeat these phrases. I can speak clearly and confidently. I understand English more every day. English is part of my life. I love the sound of English. I am a language learner, and I am proud. Excellent work. Let's finish this session with one last message. Wherever you are, whatever your level, you are not alone. There are thousands of learners just like you working, trying, growing. We are a community. We grow together. We speak, we make mistakes, we smile, and we keep going. So from fluent English practice, keep showing up. Keep learning in small steps. And I promise you will succeed. Thank you for being here today.